Dressmaking Lesson 2. Taking Body Measurements by So Easy. Taking body measurements is a very important step in garment construction because the correct fitting of the garment depends on the accuracy of the measurements. Rules in taking body measurements. Remove bulky and heavy clothing. Wear well-fitted bra and garment. Tie a string on the natural waistline, bend slightly side by side to locate the natural waistline. Waist is parallel with the elbow. See that measurements are close but not tight. Read the tape measure from the correct side. In this video, we will use centimeter. 3 ways of taking the body measurements. 1. Horizontal measurements. It is taken from the left of the figure to the right. 2. Vertical measurements. It is taken from the top of the body figure down to its base. 3. Circumferential measurements. It is taken around the body. Let us take the horizontal measurements. Shoulder. It is measured from the shoulder bone to another shoulder bone. Be careful in taking this to get the exact shoulder seam. Chest width back or across back. It is measured from the arm crease to another arm crease at the back. Usually, the shoulder is wider than the chest width back, but there are cases that they are same measure. Chest width front or across chest. It is measured from arm crease to another arm crease. Remember that the chest width back is wider than the front. For accuracy, check on your measurement on this part. Bust distance. It is taken from the point of the bust to another point of the bust, or nipple to nipple. Those are the horizontal measurements. Vertical measurements. Back length or back figure. It is measured from the base of the neck down to the waist at the back. The exact location of the waist is in line with the thigh, so check its position before measuring. Front figure. It is measured from the base of the neck, passing through the highest point of the bust down to the waist. Always check the measurement of the back and front figure. Front figure is longer than the back because of the bust. Bust height. It is taken from the base of the neck down to the bust point or nipple. Again, from the base of the neck down to the bust point. Blouse length. It is measured from the base of the neck down to the desired length of the blouse. Sleeve length. It is taken from the shoulder bone down to the desired bottom of the sleeve. Circumferential measurements. Arm circumference. It is taken around the bottom of the sleeve. Do not take this too close. Make an allowance so you can move with an ease. Armhole. It is measured around the armpit. This measurement should be measured nice, which is not too tight and not too loose. The tape measure should be meet at the shoulder bone. Bust measure. It is taken around the fullest part of the bust. Let the client spread her arms so you can wrap the tape measure around. Make sure to go over the highest point of the bust and make sure that the tape measure is parallel to the floor. Waist measure. It is taken around the natural waistline. Again, let the client spread her arms so you can wrap the tape measure around. Make sure that the tape will not go over the knot because it will add to the measurement. Tape measure should be parallel to the floor. Hip 1 or upper hip measurement. It is taken around the hip, 10 cm down from the waist. Again, make sure that the tape measure is parallel to the floor. Hip 2 or lower hip measurement. It is taken around the fullest part of the buttocks. To locate the most part, look from the side and wrap the tape measure around the outermost part of the buttocks. Again, it has to be parallel to the floor. Neck. It is depend on the type of neckline you will make. It can be measured around the neck. Neck can also be measured from the base of the neck down to the desired depth of the neckline. Those are the measurements for the blouse. Now, let us take the measurement for pajama. Crotch. It is measured from the waist down to the top portion of the chair while sitting. Pants length. It is taken from the waist down to the bottom of pajama. This is also the way to measure the skirt length, depending on your desired length. Bottom circumference. It is measured around the bottom of pajama. It depends on your choice if you want it tight or loose.